You're truly something special. It ain't no 100 bands, no.
Hey y'all, hey, what's up? How y'all doing today? As you can see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, I'm doing a tutorial on how I do my little head wrap slick back edges. So I mean, it's not that difficult. It's actually, I mean, I guess at first it might be, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. And this is gonna be like sort of an edges tutorial too. I think I'm gonna do two different styles. So I'm gonna do the first one is where I put the, you know, the part on the side, and then I do my edges, and then I'm gonna do one where I just slick everything back and leave my edges out and do something nice with my edges. So yeah, and I think I'm just gonna do this with a voiceover because I want to listen to music and turn my ear back on. So yeah, we gonna do it and y'all gonna see. Okay, so don't mind my voice, I just woke up. But you know, first we gotta dampen our hair, wet it a little bit with the spray bottle. You know, that's what we doing. You gotta comb it out and whatnot. Make sure you get your tangles out. Oh, look at that joint broke. I haven't had that happen to me in a long time. But anyway, you know, combing out our hair. Then we're gonna make our part. Easy as that. Our side part, we're gonna go straight in and try to get it as slick and even as possible. Then we gotta I use the other comb just to make sure and fix it to get it how I want it. The rat tail comb, I guess. Then we get straight into slicking it down. Make sure you can brush it all back. You know, all around, down, all around town, like SpongeBob said. Then we're gonna get our gel, our Eco Styler. I got the olive oil one. We're gonna just start putting it on our edges and really everywhere we need to slick down. So yeah, we're gonna put that everywhere. Oh my god, the dogs. Alright, like I said, we're just putting our gel everywhere. And then we're gonna go back to slicking it. I'm a perfectionist sometimes, so I gotta fix my part. But yeah, we gotta go back to brushing it while the gel's in there, so we can get it really slick. Then we're gonna go in and put it in a ponytail with whatever you use. Your scrunchie, your hair tie, the thing I got too. Well, we're putting it in a ponytail. Well, it's kind of a bun, just because of like the hair wrap style I'm doing. We get our handy dandy toothbrush, our edge tamer, and we wet it. I like to wet mine to get it as wet as possible. Pause. And I like to like have my edges, you know, drenched before I gel it and stuff, just because like I feel like it turns out better. Then we're gonna put the thing on. I like to fold it over just a little bit right there in the front. It gives it a little better security when you tie it down. Right there. Yep. Okay, you try to get it in your desired spot, then you're gonna tie it down underneath your bun. But try not to pull too hard, so look, so it goes back a little too far. Pull it up, fix it. Then we're gonna tie it on top of the bun, like so, to get that bun looking effect with the fabric. Then I twist the ends and tuck them. That's pretty much it for that. I like to secure the sides with bobby pins because it can easily slip off. Dropping stuff. Here we go back with the edges, or with the toothbrush. See, I don't know why in this video I could not get my edges right. My edges are gonna turn red because I just kept trying. my nasty brush. I know I need to replace it. And now we're just gonna do our swoops. You pull down, pull out, and swoop it back. And your finger helps hold it in place. My edge is already turning red. My head, forehead. See, like, this was not working. Look at it. See, but it's kind of working. It just wasn't turning out how I wanted it. You do the little swoop down, swoop. Swoop down, swoop back. Oh, look at that. That is all messed up. I think I fixed it. It's okay to get discouraged if you mess up. You know, you just gotta try again. Girl, what is you doing? It's not working out. It's not. Up, here I go fixing it. Gotta pull it back up because, you know, it went back a little far. Now, here we go. And then when you, like, if your edges are too long and, like, they come out of the thing, you just tuck them back in a little. Now, here I go with the swoops and tucks. No. And then I use my finger to kind of hold it so the swoop will stay. There we go. Looking better, even though I'm all red now. And there's our little bun head wrap. Now, that was the first look with the side part. And second look. Alright. Now we're just gonna, since we already have the gel and stuff in our water, our hair is already wet. We're just gonna brush it all back. Put gel on the other side to brush it back. Put it in a bun. Same process, just different style. So y'all can watch this until I get to doing the edges. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to wet my edges just to loosen up the gel that was already on there. And like I said before, I like to get them wet. But then I brushed them all down because, like, I've never really did this style before, so I'm trying to see what works. So I brushed it down, looking crazy. And then I'll start doing the little swoops. With that excess here I got all over the place. Look at that. Tuck it back. Swoop. For that part, I like to swoop it up instead of down because, like, that's just kind of the way it goes naturally on my head. So we try to do our little swoops. Like I said, swoop down, swoop back, and hold it with your finger. That's pretty much all we're doing around our whole head, trying to do our little swoops. Those swoops is so cute. Yep, perfect your swoops. Go ahead, girl. Yo, my forehead is so red, y'all. From that toothbrush. I'll be doing too much. Okay, and that's kind of the finished product. It's cute. It's cute. Look at them. Look at them little swoops all around. All right, I think I want to get back to talking soon. So, thanks for watching. Y'all see the edges? Y'all see the swoop. It's a little curl right there, but swoop. This is my secret weapon. I need to upgrade my secret weapon because this looks a mess. The dog chewed on it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but anyway, that was my little edges somewhat tutorial with two styles. We have the swoop, the side part of swoop, and now this is something I just came up with just now, the everything swoop. Okay, the edges all out swoop. But that was my little tutorial thing. Thanks for watching. If you watch, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want more hair videos, you know, just let me know. You know, positive vibes all the time, and peace out.
So fly, sugar, you get so fly, sugar,